Hello, very good morning, children. Yesterday you told me, sir, question number 37. Just yesterday, we have to solve the question number 37 by which steps just taken into consideration. आप देखेंगे कि आप लोगों ने कल कहा था लाइव क्लास के दौरान कि सर क्वेश्चन नंबर 37 का सलूशन जो स्टेप है, जो प्रोसेस है, उसको बता दिया जाए। जब कोई लॉन्ग क्वेश्चंस इंफॉर्मेशन दिया रहता है, बैलेंस शीट दिया रहता है, उसको सॉल्व करते वक्त किन किन बिंदुओं पर विचार करना चाहिए। यदि फर्म का रिकंस्टिट्यूशन होता है, व्हेन द फर्म इज रिकंस्टिट्यूटेड, जस्ट ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट द स्टेप्स इन्वॉल्विंग सॉल्व द क्वेश्चंस. Just you are having the solution of the questions. How will you go through the questions? Okay, I am going to read the question carefully. Just try to understand whatever the information given. P, Q and R were partners sharing profit in the ratio of 1:3:2. There are three partners just sharing their profit ratio 1:3:2, and their balance sheet on 31st March 2018. This one, the information about the balance sheet given: sundry creditors 2,80,000, in assets column land and building 3 lakhs. Outstanding expenses given 15,000, workmen compensation reserve 60,000, investment fluctuation reserve 45,000, and the capital of the partners 2 lakhs, 5 lakhs, 3 lakhs. In assets column, investment book value 1,25,000 and the market value 1,10,000 inside of the balance sheet that is given. Stock 2,20,000, sundry debtors 1,20,000, bank balance 1,60,000, advertisement suspense account given 75,000. On first additional information below the balance sheet given in your questions. On 1st April 2018, they decide to share profit, future profit in the ratio of 4:6:5. It was agreed that such terms and conditions given, how they will change their profit sharing ratio on this situation. Whatever the agreement came into existence, just first information: claim for workmen compensation has been estimated at ₹1 lakh. Whatever the claim for workmen compensation reserve, only 1 lakh, and this one given in the balance sheet 60,000, means 40,000 more than 60,000, more than the book value. Second, a motorcycle value 30,000 unrecorded. Outstanding expenses were not payable anymore. Whatever the outstanding expenses given in the balance sheet 15,000, that is not payable. And value of stock be increased to ₹2,90,000, and the value of stock, जो स्टॉक का वैल्यूएशन किया गया उस समय, उसका मूल्य 2,90,000 रुपये हो गया, while बुक वैल्यू 2,20,000, जबकि बुक वैल्यू स्टॉक का कास्ट जो था आपके बैलेंस शीट में एसेट्स कॉलम में 2,20,000 दर्शाया गया है। A provision for doubtful debts be created at the rate of 5% on sundry debtors. On sundry debtors, it is agreed that the provision will be made 5% at the rate of 5% on sundry debtors. Goodwill is valued at rupees 1 lakh. And whatever the valuation of the goodwill that is given 1 lakh rupees, the work of reconstitution was assigned to firm's auditors. मतलब जो फर्म के ऑडिटर को रिकंस्टिट्यूशन फर्म का करने के लिए काम दिया गया था, उनको they were paid rupees 20,000 for this work. I mean to say the expenses incurred on reconstituting of the firm. These are the information. Pass journal entries and prepare revaluation account. First we have to prepare the revaluation account. After that, a very easy way you can find the journal entry, how this one will be passed. आप देखेंगे कि रिवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट बनाने के बाद बेटा आपको लगेगा कि जर्नल एंट्री कितना आसान हो जाएगी। यहां पर हम आपको रिवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट बनाने जा रहे हैं। इसका इंफॉर्मेशन रिवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट, रिवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट this one is the debit and this one is the credit. Debit and credit. Particular, just try to draw the pro forma of revaluation account. Amount, particular, amount. Is it? So what are the first information given? Claim for workmen compensation has been estimated at rupees 1 lakh. Whatever the reserves given, what are the reserves given? Workmen compensation for 60,000 only. 40,000 charged from the revaluation account. 40,000 will be charged from revaluation account. So you can write to claim for. First information आप देखेंगे claim for workmen compensation result. Workmen compensation result. Reserve. I mean to say, just whatever the reserve created for the workmen, आपका बैलेंस शीट में जो वर्कमेन फॉर कंपनसेशन रिजर्व दिया गया है 60,000, तो डिफरेंस अमाउंट 1 लाख, एस्टिमेट कितने का आया है 1 लाख, तो वो 40,000 रिवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट के अगेंस्ट चार्ज किया जाएगा। डिफरेंस 1 लाख माइनस, तुरंत क्या करेंगे 1 लाख minus 60,000 equal to 40,000. Second information, unrecorded motorcycle. This one is not recorded, so that will be credited in revaluation account. उसको क्या करेंगे बेटा, हम क्रेडिट करेंगे बाय मोटरसाइकिल, बाय मोटरसाइकिल 30,000 by motorcycle. And third one, outstanding expenses not payable 15,000 given in the balance sheet, just they are not payable in future, so that is the profit of the organization. So in the valuation account, this one in credit side, revaluation account will be credited by outstanding expenses. Outstanding expenses 15,000. Now fourth information, value of stock increased to 2,90,000. Means in the balance sheet the stock has been shown 2,20,000 and it increases. Increasement of the assets recorded in the credit side of the revaluation account. Just the difference amount 70,000. 2,90,000 minus 2,20,000 by stock. आप 2,90,000 में से बुक वैल्यू को घटाएंगे तो उतना प्रॉफिट हुआ आपका 70,000. Next information, provision for doubtful debts at the rate of 5% charged on debtors. ये इंफॉर्मेशन दिया गया है कि डेटर्स के ऊपर 5% का हमें प्रोविजन बनाना है, तो हम प्रोविजन बनाने जा रहे हैं. डेटर्स 5%, द बुक वैल्यू ऑफ डेटर्स गिवन 3,20,000. 3,20,000 into 5 upon 100. 3,20,000 upon 5 upon 100. 5% आपने निकाला 0,0,0 16,000. That is the, because of that the debtors is being less. डेटर्स कम हो रहे हैं उतने से इतना संदेह है कि हमको भविष्य में भुगतान नहीं मिलेगा, तो ये नुकसान है, इसके लिए रिजर्व कर रहे हैं. तो हम क्या करेंगे, टू प्रोविजन फॉर डाउटफुल. रिवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट क्या होगा, इतने से डेबिट हो जाएगा. टू प्रोविजन फॉर डाउटफुल डेट्स. डाउटफुल डेट्स 16,000. 16,000. Next information, goodwill value 1 lakh rupees. Goodwill value 1 lakh rupees. This one is the sacrificing and gaining in journal entry. It is transferred to the partner's capital account. Audit expenses 20,000 has been paid to revaluation account. This is debit होगा to audit expenses. Audit expenses 20,000. Whatever the information given, just you have posted in the valuation account. Now see the balance sheet. Workmen compensation, investment fluctuation reserve. Investment fluctuation reserve given. The book value investment, market value 1,25,000 and 15,000. 15,000. So this one is compensated by the investment fluctuation reserve, just transfer to the partners capital. Is it? Because of that the loss on investment is less than the investment fluctuation reserve. आपका कितने का नुकसान हो रहा है? 15,000 का, और 45,000 का आपके पास रिजर्व मौजूद है, तो उसका जनरल ट्रीटमेंट करेंगे, वो पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट का आइटम हो जाएगा। ठीक है बेटा। अब स्टॉक एडवर्टाइजमेंट एक्सपेंसेस अकाउंट, दिस वन इज आल्सो डेबिटेड इन पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट। सो नाउ ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट द बैलेंस जस्ट दिस वे। अब इसे जोड़ करके आप प्रॉफिट निकाल लेंगे। $1,15,000. You can write over here, or just this way, the line should be drawn here. $1,15,000. 1,15,000 and difference amount, that will be profit, to profit on revaluation, to profit on revaluation, transfer to partners capital account in their old ratio, that is 39,000. कितना होगा? 39,000 होगा। मतलब क्रेडिट साइड के टोटल से डेबिट साइड का टोटल कम है, एक्सीड है, तो इसका मतलब क्रेडिट बैलेंस ऑफ द रिवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट शोज द प्रॉफिट एंड डेबिट बैलेंस शोज द लॉस। तो आप देखेंगे 1,15,000 माइनस 76,000, 40 20 60, 40 4 2 6 76,000 माइनस करेंगे 1,50,000, 39,000. Difference will be 39,000. 1,15,000 minus 76,000 is equal to the difference amount, just the credit balance of the revaluation account 39,000. इसे क्या करेंगे? पार्टनर्स के बीच ओल्ड रेशियो में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर देंगे। Now come to the journal entry. Whatever the information given, just you can write this way. What's the item written over here? This one is the debit item, revaluation account debit, to claim for work, claim compensation reserve, to provision for doubtful debt, to audit expenses, and to partners capital account. Consolidated entry you can do it. You can make the consolidated entry. Whatever the items given over here, revaluation account debit column means revaluation account debit. Is it? So you can write revaluation account debit, revaluation account debit. To claim for workman compensation reserve. To claim for workman compensation reserve. Workman compensation reserve. To provision for doubtful debt. Provision for doubtful debts. To audit expenses. To audit expenses. चलो पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट को बाद में करते हैं। आप एक एंट्री ये बना दिए, देखिए कितनी सुंदर एंट्री बन गई आपकी। Audit expenses given 20,000 and provision for doubtful debts 16,000 and claim for workman compensation reserve 40,000 and total 76,000. This one is the first entry. कितना अच्छा ट्रिक है। इस रिवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट की सहायता से आपने जर्नल एंट्री कर दिया। रिवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट डेबिट कॉलम का आइटम 2 करके लिख दिया आपने। अब रिवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट कितनी चीजों से क्रेडिट हुआ है, तो आप लिखेंगे मोटरसाइकिल एक्सपेंसेस डेबिट, क्रेडिट कर देंगे मोटरसाइकिल डेबिट, आउटस्टैंडिंग एक्सपेंसेस डेबिट, एक्सपेंसेस डेबिट, स्टॉक डेबिट, स्टॉक अकाउंट डेबिट, टू रिवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट, टू रिवैल्यूएशन। Just this way you can write 30,000, 15,000 and 17,000. This one is